problem for us? You need to read it loud so that the people in the video can hear it.
Julie had 5 pages of stickers. Each page had 36 stickers on it. How many stickers did she have?
Okay, so the first thing that we do when we solve a problem like this is we need to think about what our answer statement would be, or you can call that your statement. But think about some things that you wouldn't know the answer to. Like, how many hairs are on my head? You can say,
I have hairs on my head.
that's right. We don't know the answer to that. And right now we don't know the answer to this question. So we're going to write a statement or an answer statement for this question. Can you tell me an answer statement for this question? Okay.
Julie has stickers on each page. Sticker in her on 5 pages.
Okay. Can somebody think of another way to say it?
Julie has stickers too.
Okay. One more way. Did you have something different? You had that one. Okay. So we're going to write down here. Do you like to write this at the top or at the bottom?
At the bottom. Top.
It doesn't really matter the way you do it, so I'm going to write it at the top. So Julie has stickers. You said total? Okay. Now, the second thing that we do when we do model drawing is we think about the who and the what. So who are we talking about in this problem? Julie. And we're talking about Julie's what? Stickers. So I'm going to do like every good writer does and put my apostrophe S, and then I'm going to say stickers. Now, if you want to, you could abbreviate this and just put J's stickers. It doesn't matter. Why don't you get down on your paper what we've done so far? We've done our statement, and we've talked about the who and the what. Yes, ma'am?
Do we have to write the question?
No, you do not have to write the question. Okay, so the next thing we do, so far we've written our answer statement, we've talked about who and what. So the fourth thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a bar. So go ahead and do that on the paper. Whoa, I made that one too big. Let's see here. Undo. Okay. Okay, now that we have drawn our bar, we're going to go back and we're going to reread the problem and chunk it. Okay? So chunking it makes it, we're going to make it into manageable pieces. Sometimes we get math problems and they're like 5 or 6 lines long, right? And you think, oh, this is just too much information, forget it. This is a pretty simple problem, but by chunking problems, it's going to be easier for you to work through them. So Julie had 5 pages of stickers. Stop. What does that tell us? Oh, wait. You said that, but how do we know they all? Because we haven't gotten there yet. You read ahead, so you know they all have the same amount. But she has 5 pages of stickers. How do you think that we could show that on our bar? Is that part or is that the whole? Is it part? It is a part. And so let's think about this. Do you think that that would be would we say a page is a group? Or is it the number in a group? It's a group. And so when we draw our bar, we could divide our bar into 5 groups. Okay? So sometimes we do addition and subtraction. We may only have 2 groups or 3 groups or 4 groups. But in this case, we have 5 groups. So I'm going to put a check up here because I know that you can even label this. This is page 1, page 2, you could do that too, so that I know that I've dealt with that information and I've represented it on my bar. Okay, so let's go on. Each page had 36 stickers on it. Is that all of the stickers or part of her stickers?
Part of her sticker.
It's part of her stickers. So is that going to go in here or is it going to go out here?
Out there. Oh, in.
Inside, because our parts are going to go inside. So I could write 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. So I'm going to put a check here because I dealt with that information. And then it says how many stickers did she have. So where's my question mark going to go? Am I trying to find out a part or am I trying to find out a total? The total. So my question mark is going to go out here. So we have, what do we have here? How many groups do we have?
5.
We have 5 groups of what?
36.
36. Okay, so I'm going to give you a minute. I want you to each solve this on your paper. Okay, so I have given you a few minutes to solve this problem. Would someone like to come to the board and show us how you solved it? Okay, Janet, come to the board and show us how you solved 36 times 5. Really, it's 5 times 36 because it's 5 groups of 36.
And 5 times 30 is 150. And I added this together to get 180.
Now, Janet, can you tell me why you said this is 5 times 30? Why is this 30 and not 3?
Because the 6 we already multiplied that. So there goes a 0 goes here.
But what's the value of this number? Is it worth 3, or if I just write the number 36, is it worth 3 or is it worth 30?
30.
30, because what place is it in?
The 10th.
The 10th place, exactly right. Okay, so then you did 5 times 6 is 30, and 5 times 30 is 150, and you added those together and you got 180. Did somebody else solve it a different way? Okay, thank you, Janet. All right, Makai, come on up. I'm going to use my 36 there.
Um, 6 times is 0, 3 on top, 18.
How'd you get 18 there?
Oh, 18. And so it's 5 times 30 plus another one, 100. It's 18. So you put the 18 in front of the 0.
Okay, very good. So you used the standard algorithm to solve this problem. And what Janet did, we call that partial products, okay? All right, thank you very much.